Did you ever eat too much during the holiday feasts? Here's a simple method to help. When the symptoms are far from serious, this method can be more convenient and immediate than herbal medicine. When you pat your belly after a big meal to show you are full, you are subconsciously using your natural instincts. There's a key acupoint called 中脘, aka central venter or Ren 12. It's located on the midline of the abdomen, midway between the navel and the sternocostal angle. A trick for easily finding it is to use a Chinese medicine unit called 寸 or bodily 寸 as measured by your own fingers. Follow me using your own hands. The width of your 4 fingers together are 3 寸. That of your thumb is 1 寸. Locate your belly button first. 3 寸plus 1 寸. So 4 寸above your navel will be here. Once you find the central venter, ideally take a supine position. Rub your hands warm. Knead or massage the region around it. Do it clockwise for 1 to 2 minutes and counterclockwise for another 1 to 2 minutes. Gradually increase the pressure. Repeat until you feel sore, numb, and warm. This acupoint tonifies the stomach, fortifies the spleen, and helps soothe irritable bowel syndrome. When used with a few other acupoints, follow me to learn about them. Leave your comments after applying this whenever you experience digestive discomfort.